XRP Price Predictions 2023-2032. XRP Price Prediction 2023. The current XRP price prediction for 2023 suggests a minimum price of 55 cents and an average trading price of 57 cents. Ripple cryptocurrency is expected to attain a maximum price of 61 cents. XRP Price Prediction 2024. Our Ripple price forecast for 2024 suggests the altcoin could trade at a minimum price of 79 cents and an average forecast price of 82 cents. Ripple price could hit a maximum price of 95 cents. XRP Price Prediction 2025. The Ripple price forecast for 2025 is for Ripple cryptocurrency to trade at a minimum price of $1.19 and an average price of $1.23. The maximum forecast price for 2026 is $1.41. XRP Price Prediction 2026. In 2026, our XRP price forecast for 2026 suggests Ripple cryptocurrency could reach a minimum price of $1.80 and an average price of $1.84. Ripple coin is estimated to reach a maximum price of $2.10. XRP Price Prediction 2027. Ripple XRP price forecast for 2027 estimates a minimum value of $2.66 and an average trading price of $2.73. The maximum price forecast for 20,227 is $3.07. Ripple Price Prediction 2028. Our Ripple forecast for 2028 expects the price of 1 XRP to reach a minimum of $3.86 in 2028. The XRP price can reach a maximum level of $4.62, with an average price of $3.97 throughout 2028. XRP Price Prediction 2029. The Ripple coin price prediction for 2029 estimates Ripple to attain a minimum value of $5.61 and an average price of $5.77, with a maximum price of $6.79. XRP Price Prediction 2030. According to the Ripple price forecast for 2030, Ripple is predicted to hit a minimum price of $5.61 and an average price of $5.77 throughout the year 2030. The maximum forecasted Ripple price for 2030 is set at $6.79. XRP Price Prediction 2031. The Ripple price prediction for 2031 suggests Ripple coin will reach a minimum value of $12.35 and an average price of $12.78, with a maximum price of $14.84. XRP Price Prediction 2032. The Ripple coin price prediction for 2032 predicts the XRP to have a minimum price of $17.70, an average of $18.21, and a maximum price of $21.63. XRP Price Prediction by Digital Coin Price. Digital Coin Price's bullish short-term prediction states that the XRP price will increase by 116.3% by the end of May. The current indicators indicate the neutral zone, and the Fear and Greed Index shows 27.28 extreme fears, which means the price is currently stable. If all factors remain favorable, this might lead to a further surge in XRP prices towards the end of May. Digital Coin Price estimates the price of Ripple to reach a minimum of $1.65, an average trading price of $1.77, and a maximum forecast price of $1.96 by the end of 2026. For the long-term forecasts, Ripple is estimated to trade at a maximum value of $4.46 in 2030, while by 2032, the value of XRP is expected to reach a peak of $8.34. XRP Price Prediction by Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor is bullish on Ripple price in the short-term forecast, stating that XRP can reach $0.414 by the end of May 2023. This is quite close to the current value of $0.428. In the one-year forecast, Wallet investor expects XRP price to reach an average of $0.144 with a minimum and maximum price estimation at 37 cents and $0.724, respectively, by May 2024. Wallet investor terms Ripple as a bad long-term investment and predict that XRP will not be able to reach its all-time highs in the coming years. XRP price prediction by CoinCodex. CoinCodex uses deep technical analysis of Ripple's price action to estimate predictions on where the price is headed shortly. The team of analysts follows a range of indicators and technical analysis methods, from analytical models to fundamental analysis, to produce accurate Ripple price forecasts. According to CoinCodex's Ripple price predictions, the current value of Ripple could drop by 5.05% and reach $0.407420 by May 20, 2023. However, due to the current bearish sentiment in the market, as indicated by the technical indicators and fear and greed index of 50, neutral, now might not be the best time to invest in Ripple. Moreover, XRP recorded 12/30ths, 40%, green days with 6.08% price volatility over the last 30 days. CoinCodex's long-term price predictions for Ripple suggest the price could reach $9.05 if it follows Facebook's growth. If XRP followed internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.037854. Moreover, based on the data from May 15, 2023, the general XRP price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 13 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 20 signaling bearish signals. XRP price prediction by market experts. Ripple price action in the previous few days saw XRP USD riding high before plunging to the recent low. According to BULLRUNNERS market expert based on YouTube, Ripple is expected to break out of a long-term triangle, which could lead to significant gains shortly. He has predicted that Ripple could reach as high as 60 cents in the short term and possibly $1 in the medium term if it does not break out from its current levels. Finder concluded from a panel of 36 industry experts that XRP should be at $3.61 by 2025.